Hey everybody, I am so sorry that this video is kind of dark. The sun has come down and this is all the light I have to work with. I wanted to do a really quick video to let you guys know that I am doing the rice water challenge to grow my hair. Now, right now I've just washed and conditioned my hair with Gabrielle Union's Flawless. This is the moisturizing shampoo, and this is the conditioner. And what I like about it is it's sulfate, paraben, gluten, and cruelty free. Awesome. So I've washed my hair twice and rinsed it out twice. Right now I have the conditioner in my hair and I'm going to rinse that out. And then I'm going to try the rice treatment. Now, if you haven't heard of the rice water hair growth treatment, basically these women, these tribes in China, grow their hair to their feet using rice water, and apparently it's supposed to work extremely well. And so I did watch another video, and so this is how I'm doing it. I bought a big bag of rice, and they said you can have white rice or brown rice or jasmine rice, but it should be organic or the type of rice that doesn't have all those additives. It is does not contain BPA and stuff like that. So get that type of rice, and you have like a cup and a half of water and a cup of rice, and you put that in a bowl and then you let it sit. It should at least sit for 24 hours. Some videos say a couple hours, but the best way to get all the nutrients is 24 hours. And then you strain the rice, and then you get water that looks like this. Hopefully you can see it. It looks very cloudy. Okay. So this is my first day of using this, and you're supposed to actually feel your hair more vibrant after the first use. So after I rinse this Flawless conditioner out, I'm going to use this rinse water, and then I'm going to put this cap back on, and they say it's best that you keep it in your hair for an hour before you rinse it out. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, different videos say different things. Some say do it every time you wash your hair. Some say don't do it too often, not like every day, because there might be a buildup. But what I'm going to do, I decided I got rid of my crochet braids, and I'm going sticking with the wig for now so that I can really work with my hair. And what I'm going to do is try to do this 3 times a week. So 3 times a week I'm going to wash and condition my hair and use this rice water. I've already taken a picture of before, and I will show that to you in the next video. But I'm going to do this for a whole month before I post another video. And I'm going to show you before and after doing it 3 times a week for 30 days. Okay? Does that sound good? So I'll keep you abreast, and keep your fingers crossed for me that it's actually going to work, and that I can throw away the crochet and the wigs and this and that. Now, I don't know if it's going to work for older women who have thinning hair and that sort of thing, because that's me. But we'll see how it goes, okay? So I'll show you the before and after in the next video, okay? Take care and wish me luck.